So this is an empty plate right
Clean
here.
plate,
How do I look? Do I look good? Anyhow, this is an empty plate here. Hand sanitizer, 70% regular hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put a little
70%
bit here.
alcohol, okay.
Just a tiny bit there. I'm just gonna put a little bit of fire here, so you guys can see something interesting here. All right,
Okay,
so I
there's
think that's
no
more than enough.
fire on
So
there.
I'm gonna bring, you see there's nothing there, but I'm gonna show you something here interesting what this can do. So I'm gonna put the paper towel and you're gonna see something interesting there.
Wow.
Fire coming from there.
So that is hand sanitizer, just ordinary hand sanitizer.
So that's what we have to be careful because it can surely transmit heat, and you can see how dangerous this could be. So when you're home, don't try to avoid use hand sanitizer. Use more of the water and soap, and be careful with the kids. So let me see if there's still been close to about 30 seconds since we did this. So I want to see if this still transmitting heat here. So it's been about 30 seconds, and you can still see
Wow,
that
it's still flammable.
it's still dangerous.
Yes.
So that tells you that you need to be extremely careful with the hand sanitizer, especially when you're cooking or barbecuing. Be careful with it. Use your hands with water and soap, and we should be good with that.
So this is Dr. Placer, Javier Placer
That's
from the
correct.
Spine and Scoliosis Center with a bit of wisdom for us today. So you be careful out there, people.
There you go.